So to start off, I wanted to show you guys some clips of what it looked like before I cleaned it, and I knew that I wanted to film this video, so I just decided to let it go. And for about a month or so, I didn't really clean it out. I only took stuff out if I actually needed it and let it accumulate a bunch of stuff and just get actually messy how it would if I wasn't filming a video, so you guys can see what it really looks like. So the first thing I recommend doing is grabbing a trash can and going around and taking all of the garbage out of your car. I just find that when I'm actually trying to clean and sort through the stuff in there, it helps if all of the trash has been taken out. And then I also tied the trash bag to one of my door handles just so that I have it there if I need it. So step number 2 is one of the most important, and that is to take everything out of your car. I mean, every little last thing, take it out. I also like to do piles, so I'll have a pile of stuff that needs to be thrown out or recycled, a pile of stuff that needs to go back into the house, and then another pile of stuff that needs to be put back in my car. And once the piles are formed, I can then tackle them. So anything that needs to be thrown out will be put in the garbage or recycling, anything that needs to go back in the house will go inside, and then anything that needs to go back in my car will just hang out until my car is clean and ready for it. So once everything is out of my car, I will go ahead and take the mats out and shake them out and of course vacuum them. This is one of my favorite parts. I don't know why, but I just love vacuuming. So I'll use my vacuum to clean those off. And of course, before I put them back, I have to vacuum the inside of my car as well. And in order to make everything look nice and shiny, I will just take my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, which I use for literally everything, and clean off the windows, the glass, anything that has a surface and needs to be cleaned on the inside of my car. This is the step to do it. And then finally, it is time to put everything back in my car. And if you guys want to see a video all about how I organize my car and different DIY organization ideas for your car, I just said car so many times, but this is a car video, so it makes sense. Let me know in the comments because I will definitely love to do that. And then I will just remove the garbage bag and that is it. My car is clean. And then the final step is to just enjoy your clean car and remember this great feeling. So next time when you don't want to clean it, you'll remember how great you felt and then you'll clean it.